Our company is Zhangjiagang Ortex Corporation. We are from Jiangsu, China. This is our products. We do many poly and nylon products, such as single GS, terry, and any other knitting fabric. Our buyer use this fabric for t-shirt, sportswear, and underwear, and some outerwear. We do many functional fabric. It is active, anti-UV, wicking, and any other special functional knitting fabric. This is also we do some Solana, PPT, and PET fabric. We have some spun yarn, such as modal and viscose bamboo. Also, this would be used for fashion wear. Our customers from all over the world. We have make a collaboration with American customers and South Asia and Bangladesh and Vietnam. This admiration is very good. We make collaboration many customers. We do very well business with them, and we will add it next time. So welcome to Bangladesh and welcome to our company.